You had your first trip as a, as a couple.
Yeah.
Kumusta naman ang magiging jowa? Travel buddy. Si Zach.
Si Zach,
Yes.
solid. Si Zach kasi parang wala akong masabi eh. Parang marami kasing tao na nakikita si Zach. I mean, kilala si Zach as Zach the number one.
Yes, yes.
Yung alam mo yung feeling na minsan parang cannot be reached. Pero sa totoong buhay talaga, sa personal, best friend ko talaga. As in, sobrang down to earth niya na tao. Tsaka yung hindi mo ina-expect sa kanya na trip din niya.
Trip niya rin pala.
As in, minsan may random nights kami. As in, kahit dito lang around Pasig, kasama naman si Ate Shanine din, yung kapatid niya. As in, food trip ka kami sa karinderya, gano'n.
So, would you say na, kasi ako, as a fan's perspective, very nonchalant si Zach. Sa totoong buhay ba OA siya?
Oh. Sorry, tol. Hindi.
okay lang.
Sobrang totoo niyang tao lang. Siguro kaya rin kami, hyper kasi po ako as a person. Kaya rin siguro kami magkasundo, tsaka matagal yung friendship namin. Kasi hyper din siya. So, kung alam niyo lang hanggang anong oras kami natatapos sa trip, minsan baliktad na yung araw namin. Pero masaya pa rin, masaya.
Very self-explanatory na kung bakit si Zach ang favorite OPM artist mo, di ba?
Idol ko talaga.
It's the loving bromance for me, and
Yes,
we're
sir.
all here for it. Are you guys planning to get married? Sorry. Collab soon.
May ilalabas akong album sa August 1. May isang track doon, sinulat namin magkasama. Kaya, ayun, abangan nyo. Ayun.
Kala ko dedicate for him or something. Sorry.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.